We are pleased to show you 2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.